Hello friends, this is Jeevan. Welcome to CAD Lessons with Jeevan. So before getting started with CAD, it's important to know what CAD is. So CAD stands for Computer Aided Design or Drafting, which uses computers to create, modify, analyze, optimize a design. Today we will start the learning of AutoCAD. Before getting started with the AutoCAD tutorials, we need to know what AutoCAD is, why do we need it, and who uses it, as these would help you in the interview. So basically AutoCAD is a computer aided design tool which is used to develop 2D drawings and 3D models. It helps the designers to make the drawings quickly and accurately. Many of the aeronautical engineers, mechanical engineers, civil, and many various engineers use this AutoCAD as it is precise. So why do we need AutoCAD? As AutoCAD is widely preferred due to the ability of it produces the accurate designs and easy modifications in the future, less time consuming, we need AutoCAD. So today's topic is display or user interface of AutoCAD. Here I am using AutoCAD 2018 version, and if you need this version of AutoCAD, comment down below and I'll post a video on how to download it. Let's start off with the basics of AutoCAD. The interface has toolbars, tools, elements of AutoCAD. So coming to the display of the AutoCAD, it shows a welcome screen of Get Started. Now click here on Start Drawing button. Then a window pops up saying Drawing 1. Here let's check out each and every element in the user interface of AutoCAD. The user interface contains application bar. The application bar is a drop-down menu which contains all the file options like New, Open File, Save As, Import, Export, Publish, Print, and others. Now this is the Quick Access bar which contains the shortcuts for the same options that are available in the application bar, along with the Undo and Redo buttons. The title bar here shows the title for the drawing or the file that is saved. For example, here by default Drawing 1 is the name of this file, so it shows Drawing 1 as the title. If you save with any other name, it shows over here. Now the bar which is just beneath the title bar is known as menu bar, where you can access all the tools and settings of AutoCAD. The bar or the ribbon, this is called the ribbon, which has many tabs that holds the tools which are used while drawing a profile in the AutoCAD. It includes many tools like modeling, meshing tools, drawing tools, modify tools, and even the visual toolbar is within the ribbon, which consists of 2D wireframe, conceptual, realistic, and others. Now here, the area where we sketch or draw profile is known as workspace and is also known as viewport or grid area. To the top right corner of the workspace, there is a circular symbol in which a cube is present, which is known as compass. It is used to change the direction or view of a drawing. This bar to the right of the viewport is known as navigation toolbar, where you can find the tools like pan, zoom, orbit, view cube, zoom extents, and others. In the bottom there is a bar saying type a command. It is known as the command bar. Here we enter the command in order to sketch a profile. For suppose L is used for drawing a line. So the video concludes here about display of AutoCAD and its features. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it and learned something new. If you did, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to CAD Lessons with Jeevan. Thank you.